Now for a tone demonstration. Clean. The wah solo. And the regular solo. So all 4 channels in the new rev. Hope you like it. So to get in the right mode here, you can see we've got the new Rev Gen Purple amp. And here we have rhythm settings, clean, wah-wah lead, and solo. And then the various amps set up top. That's your discretion, how you want to set up. To do it, go into here. And then you select global. And then you want switches. And then you can move this control around. And you notice that, I'm sorry, that's the wrong one. This one here, stomps. Preset, blah, blah, blah. So here you can see, yeah, there's a Van Halen on there. Master Puppets, Whitesnake. I'll do other videos on those. And then you can have your on-offs if you wish. Or stomp mode. And then back to that. So this is where we're going to start off with, and we'll give you some demonstration sounds of each. See you in a bit.